Hey guys, all the products that you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Hey guys, today we have the pumpkin spice and vanilla chai by Hemp's. And guys, let me tell you my favorite thing about this in just a second, but first let me tell you things you should know about this. This thing has 100% pure hemp seed oil, aloe, and shea butter. And this thing is just an excellent exfoliator, guys. And let me tell you something real quick. I am not a scrub dude, but this thing might turn me into a scrub dude. I've tried several scrubs before, and this thing just might convert me into a scrub person. I mean, I don't know. That's how good this thing is, guys. This thing smells incredible. It smells like, let me show you on the inside of this real quick. Wow. I wish the video had like a smell function, because the way this just smells is it just brings fall and Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas and just everything fall. Like it just brings it all right to you, and all the memories and everything about fall is just encapsulated inside of this little bottle, guys. My favorite thing about this, guys, as well, besides all that and the smell, is how smooth and how fresh it makes your skin feel after you've used it, and how long the scent lasts afterwards. Guys, you just feel great after you use this. I highly recommend it. I don't think there's a better fall scrub out there besides this one. This thing is just incredible. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.